Hello techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code.it, a solution to your problems. So if you are new to this channel, then hit on the subscribe icon and join Code.it family. So today in this video, I'll tell you how to increase the downloading speed or the internet speed of your PC. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So first of all, let's move to Chrome. Here type Chrome flags, hit enter, then here search for parallel downloading. So here set it to enabled. So this will enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed in Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS and Android. So once you have enabled it, it will ask you to relaunch your web browser. So once you are done with that, you are ready to go. So now you can notice that the downloading speed has been accelerated. So moving forward, next tip is go to command prompt, then here type ipconfig, then / and type flush DNS. So hit enter, then it will say window IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So by this way, the internet speed of a PC has been increased as it has cleared all the cache. So these are two ways by which you can increase the downloading or the internet speed of your PC. So that's all for this video and thanks for watching.